Welcome back to Stephanie and Liza's video. We're going to show about the baby real birds. It's so cute. Remember to like this video. Because we're the best. We're just children. We're maybe poor or not. So remember to like this video. So this is the baby chicks hatching. You see them?
It's gonna be slow.
It's gonna be very slow because they're just babies like us. We're just children. They're babies.
Some people are just adults.
They're gonna come out when the egg is moving, and that means they're coming. Look, the egg's moving. They're gonna come out.
Oh, it is gonna be so cute.
No, they're gonna be looking so funny.
Okay. Try not to laugh, guys. Try not. Try not. I'm serious.
Try to laugh, because they're actually really funny when they pop out.
Or just try not to laugh.
Just
do whatever.
Silly. They're silly. I told you.
Yeah, just do whatever. Yeah.
Come on. It's coming. They're coming. Look.
The egg's still hiding them.
Yeah, but it's okay. They'll come out once. Look.
They'll only come out once they're ready. Oh, I hear chopping. I hear chopping.
He's coming out. Oh, they look so cute.
But
they look funny. They don't have any stuff to cover them. They're very cold. Oh, look.
Oh, it's still staying into her egg.
Yeah, poor little thing.
It's probably still
Hey, look,
shy.
he's coming out.
Oh, gee.
Try not to laugh, but it's going to be very funny.
Yeah.
So I can't wait to laugh. Look, it's coming
Feel
out.
free to laugh.
Yeah, be free to laugh. As our guest, we let you laugh.
Yeah.
Oh, look. It's hatching.
Oh, it's hatching, it's hatching, it's hatching.
We have some chips like this. This is our chicks. We're just doing a pause, right?
Yeah.
We're just
random.
We just took a video of it. But we want to take it on my iPad so we can.
Yeah.
That's a flipper.
OMG. It's coming, is it coming?
Yes, it's coming.
It's coming. OMG.
Oh, so poor little thing. I wish we were there to help him. But my chicks are there. They already came out. We didn't have time to help them, right? We're at school.
Well, not precisely. We're not at,
We're not at school now, but we were at school when it hatched.
So we had to,
Record it on the phone, but
we just put up a record for
Yeah.
it.
So we can do it again on my iPad.
And then we can film it for
Oh,
you
look,
guys.
it's coming out. Look. One hand.
OMG. Is that the beak or is that the leg?
That's the hand.
I can really tell.
That's the hand.
Oh, okay.
The leg is.
Comment down any questions if
The
you
leg
like.
is not like that. The leg is like a chicken's leg.
Comment down any comments if you like. If you can't comment, then comments are
Come
disabled.
on, get out, little thing.
Come on,
We're
poor
waiting.
thing.
Yes.
It's getting out, it's getting out, it's getting out. Oh my god.
Look at it. We're laughing because it's really funny.
This is not now. This is literally what happened before. So you might see the time I was clicking.
Oh no!
Is it cold? Is it cold? This wasn't the time we filmed it,
Don't
right?
climb under the cushion. No, bad chicks. Good little chicks. It been yesterday we find them. Oh look, the mom chick.
Hey, no. Don't do random stuff like maybe just
Look, the
go to your
mom.
cage.
That's the mom that we got.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry.
We
about
just
that.
had to handle the chicks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The mom
The chicks like her. Yeah.
We bought the mom because we already had the chick.
She's just lying down.
Yeah.
She looks a little different to her baby style.
Yeah, but no, she does.
Lunchbox.
Yeah, no back.
No.
Good girl. Good girl.
Fine.
That was the mom. So we
Don't drink the milk. Not now.
Come
I'm
on.
busy.
Come on, let's just give the mom away. Yeah, maybe tomorrow we'll tell you if we give it away. Stop the feather though, Mommy. We're gonna bring you away tomorrow. You're gonna be very happy in your new home. Without your babies, because we are taking your babies. They're too cute to go. Then you stay in our old home.
But remember I saw a video that called Separated from My Twin Sister? So twin sisters actually separate. You might want to watch that.
But not now?
Yeah, not now.
Because we don't have that video yet.
Yeah.
That's really hard to
We
do.
might post the link in the description, or you can just search up Gotcha Life Separated from My Twin Sister.
Okay, let's just stop it.
Okay.